How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth wireless audio streaming capability to an old hi-fi stereo system. So this is Sony mini hi-fi component MHC-GZ-R77D. This stereo is about 10 years old, so it does not have Bluetooth audio streaming capability, but check this out. I'm able to play music through Bluetooth on the stereo. So guys, if you want to play songs wirelessly through Bluetooth on your old home audio system, you need a Bluetooth wireless audio streaming kit. So this is TP-Link's NFC-Enabled Bluetooth music receiver. And again, this is sort of a kit, so it comes with everything you need. It has two different types of cables. It has a music receiver base station, then it has an adapter, a USB cable. So this is like a more permanent solution, and I'll put the link to this product down in the video description. And you can see this one has a range of 20 meters. That's a lot. So this is all the stuff that you get inside the box, and this is pretty much everything you need. So you get two different types of cables. So this is your 2 male RCA to 3.5mm cable, and this is your 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. This is for aux, and this is for the rear audio in, depending on your stereo. I'll show you that in just a moment. Then you have USB to micro USB. This one plugs in into the charger, and the micro USB goes into the Bluetooth music receiver. And this is your Bluetooth music receiver. Nice black finish. And this is the bottom, and on its back we have the audio out and the USB in for your power. So this one does not have a battery built in. Then you have the power adapter. It's a USB power adapter, user manual, and then lastly you have the NFC tag for easy pairing. So now let's move on to the stereo, and let me show you what kind of cables you need, because it really depends on your stereo. If you have a newer stereo, this 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable will do. Otherwise, you'll need this cable. Now this is a 10-year-old Sony system, so it does not have an audio input jack on the front. If you've got a newer system, it will have an audio input jack on the front. It's a 3.5mm jack, just like on this system. And sometimes this is also known as aux or auxiliary input. So in case your stereo has 3.5mm jack audio in, you'll need to use the cable which has 3.5mm jacks on both its ends. So one side goes into the stereo and the other side goes into the Bluetooth music receiver. Now if you have an older system like this one, chances are that it will not have any sort of audio input on the front. So as you can see, this one has mic input and headphone out, but it does not have audio input on the front. So we need to take a look at the back of the stereo to see what kind of an input jack we've got. Okay, so at the back of the Sony mini hi-fi stereo, you can see there is an audio in port right over here. Now even though this one is labeled as video/satellite, it does not really matter. You can plug in your phone or a Bluetooth music receiver. Now if you want to plug in your phone or a Bluetooth music receiver, you will need this cable. Again, this cable is a part of the kit. You will get this cable when you purchase this Bluetooth music receiver from TP-Link. But I'll put the links to these cables down in the video description in case you want to purchase them separately. But yeah, so these are 2 male RCA connectors, and these ones will plug in into these female RCA connectors over here. And these are color coded, so the red one goes into the right and the white one goes into the left. And on the other side of the cable we have this 3.5mm connector. You can plug this thing in into the headphone jack of your phone, or you can plug this thing in into the Bluetooth music receiver. So it goes in right over here in this little headphone jack, just like this. Now I'm pretty sure that your old stereo system will have some sort of audio input at the back, and it's most likely going to be this exact same female RCA input jacks, because this is pretty much the industry standard. Even this 22-year-old Iowa system has this exact same female RCA input jacks, and so does this 20-year-old Sony. Although you might have noticed these are labeled as video audio in instead of just audio in. But nothing to worry about, these will happily accept audio input from your phone, laptop, or a Bluetooth audio receiver. Okay, so I've got the music receiver powered on, and you can see it's nicely hooked up to the stereo. There are no cables visible at all. So when you turn this thing on for the first time, it goes into this pairing mode. And when it's in pairing mode, the LED will glow white. And the easiest way to pair this thing with your phone is through NFC. So you get this NFC tag, you can stick it onto your stereo over here, stick it onto wall, So all you need to do is tap your phone's back on this NFC tag, and it should show up, and there you have it. Pair the Bluetooth device TP-Link music. Just tap yes, and this LED should turn blue once the pairing is successful. And you can see the LED is now blue. That means it is paired with my phone. And let's check. There you have it, TP-Link music. And lastly guys, you need to turn the stereo on and select the audio in mode. Now on this old Sony system, the audio in mode is actually the video mode. So you have to select this video/satellite in order for the audio in to work. And I think that's because back in the good old days, these stereos were designed to take in audio from VCRs and satellite TV boxes. That's why it's labeled as video, not as audio input. But it does work fine with standalone audio input like your phone or a Bluetooth audio device. So now you can enjoy songs wirelessly on your old audio system. By the way, volume is controlled through the phone. You can also control the volume level from over here. And guys, the audio quality is pretty darn good. I don't think there is any difference if you physically connect the phone to the stereo or if you're streaming through Bluetooth. And this thing has a range of 20 meters, so you can literally go to the other side of the room and it will still work fine, and there are no audio lags or pauses in between. And guys, you can connect a whole bunch of stuff to this Bluetooth music receiver. So it's not only limited to your phone, you can connect your tablet, you can connect your laptops, MacBooks, smart TVs with Bluetooth, so you can connect a whole bunch of stuff if you want to stream audio through Bluetooth. So now let me show you how to connect a new Bluetooth device. So first thing you'll need to do is disconnect this thing from your phone or whatever device you have paired this thing to. So just turn the Bluetooth off on your phone and you can see it enters into pairing mode. Now I will show you how to connect this thing to my desktop PC. So add Bluetooth device, Bluetooth, and it should show up over here. And there you have it. Now it says connecting, and that's it. It's paired with my computer. Right, you can hear the sound is coming from the stereo. So this thing is not only limited to your phone, you can connect a whole bunch of Bluetooth devices to this thing, provided the Bluetooth device supports audio streaming. So now I can enjoy the game sounds invisibility on my hi-fi system. And there is no audio lag in between, so whatever I'm hearing is in real time. You can probably tell that. So I hope this answers another question. There is no lag in the audio. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. So before I sign off, let's quickly take a look at the user manual, because a lot of you guys want to see the user manual before you actually purchase the product. Alright, so just pause the video if you want to take a look, because I'm not going to spend too much time, but this one shows the different ways you can connect the music receiver to your stereo. Let's take a look at the next page. It shows you how to pair. And finally, we have frequently asked questions. Okay, so I think that's it for the user manual of the TP-Link NFC-enabled Bluetooth music receiver. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment down below. I'll try and reply to them. But yeah, this thing is awesome. And if you like my content, make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. So guys, thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos like these, and I will see you guys next time.